Gold prices climbing, reaching towards that $1,800 level. Now, Mihir, we saw gold break 1,800 briefly last week. Is this rally we're seeing today any different? Is it sustainable?
It is a sustainable rally. Whether or not we will actually see it rally from here will kind of depend on the Eurozone remarks that we get today. We're seeing a little bit of the rally today because we saw the numbers that came out of the Euro, Germany's GDP numbers, a little bit weaker than expected. We're seeing a $100 pullback almost in the commodity, so people are saying it looks a little bit undervalued because we've had such volatility. So it leaves us with a lot of room to run either to the upside or downside. But
which way do you think it's going to go, and when do we break 1,800 if we're going to go that way?
If I were a betting man, I would probably say it's time for a little bit of a breather. We've had a tremendous bull run. We've left a gap below at 1668.70, which means we should go and fill it at some point later this year.
Now, a lot of traders were talking about wanting to see that correction last weekend, but we are entering a seasonally strong buying period for gold, and we didn't get that big correction. So is that telling us something as well?
Well, it's tough to see a $200 run up in the commodity and expect to get a full $200 pullback. So that's really unrealistic. Realistically, the way things trade, you'll see 200 up, 100 down, which we just saw, 50 up, 100 down. So that could be the next leg. In terms of the weekly chart, the relative strength looks a little bit overbought. The stock market is firming up tremendously. If that continues, I think you'll see this pullback in gold.
So then how are you trading this very dicey trading range for gold then?
It's a wait and see approach right now. I would like to see I have certain levels below 1725 is where I get very bearish. Right now we're still in a tremendous bull market. I know a lot of what I'm saying sounds like negative sentiment. We're in a tremendous bull market right now. Above 1800, you have to be very bullish. We saw an 1817 high. We've never closed above 1800 yet, so I think that would be the first thing that we would look for.
All right, so there you have it. You have a tight trading range for gold prices, but the broader range is at $1,725 and $1,800 level.